Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on the 9th of June 2024. So today we're seeing this area of cloud and rain pushing down from the north that does correspond to a cold front. It will become heavier through the north through the afternoon before gradually pushing southwards and eastwards through the evening, and as usual, as I said, some heavy bursts in there at times. Then behind that, winds will veer northerly behind the cold fronts, and skies will clear through the early hours of the morning. Now through Monday, we see these northerly winds bringing cool air, but quite dry air too. And tomorrow should be a day of sunshine and a few showers. The showers will be the exceptions to the rule, and for most areas it should stay mostly, if not fully dry. Now the showers die off in the evening, and into Tuesday morning we see more cloud actually pushing in from the north, especially into these northern and eastern counties. But through Tuesday it forms more widely. Now again, a few showers are around on Tuesday. Now into Wednesday we see a brief ridge of high pressure in, so a day of sunshine and patchy clouds. And through Thursday we see a system pushing in from the ocean, so this brings a spell of rain. The exact intensity and timing of this rain is still uncertain, but either way it clears through Thursday evening. Could be a few showers behind that. And into Friday, I think that Friday at this stage will be a showery day with heavy downpours or storms around. Here is our temperature forecast from the UKV. So there we go, UKV temperature forecast on the way. So today's highest temperatures will reach very chilly 9 degrees in the north up to 15 degrees in the south. Very chilly for this time of year. Into tonight, lowest temperatures behind the cold fronts will drop down to around 5 to 8 degrees, coolest in North Leinster. Now through into Monday afternoon, highs of around 12 or 13 in the north up to 17 degrees in Munster. Again, that's below average. Into Tuesday morning, it starts off chilly there, especially in the south of the country. Lows there of around 5 degrees. Before in the afternoon, again, low to mid-teens, north to south. Again, Wednesday starts chilly, possibly with a bit of a grass frost possible in East Connacht and North Leinster. And into Wednesday afternoon, highs of around 14 to 17 Celsius, Ulster to Munster. And then Thursday morning, it starts milder thanks to the rain coming in, and the afternoon could see temperatures up to 18 degrees as the rain clears in parts of Munster, and where the sun comes out then. And into Friday morning, it starts mild thanks to the rain, but it's still a cool air mass that we're in. So everyone, here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So currently, again, strongly negative with the NAO. It will rise up to more weekly negative levels, but still stay negative, which in summer is a bad sign for anyone who wants warm and dry weather. It means that we'll have high pressure to our west and north, more or less, and the low pressure is over us, bringing constant cool weather and quite a wet weather as well. So here is the GFS 6 everyone. So as you can see, we have the high pressure to our west and the lowest to the east, are dragging down the wind from a chilly northwesterly today. Tomorrow, winds will veer northerly behind the cold fronts, and we'll see a few showers around, but they'll be very well scattered. Into Tuesday, we see that ridge coming in from the west, so it is cool, but it dries up. And through into Thursday, we see this low coming in, and that brings a spell of rain on Thursday, followed on Friday by showers. Same for the weekend, quite showery, and then we see more rain on Sunday and Monday, I think, as that low does reposition to our west. And for next week, it might go warmer actually on this run, with the low to the west and the high to the east drawing up the wind from the south, but still very unsettled. That might actually bring a few storms around the country. Now into in towards the solstice here, it stays wet, it stays quite cool. That low pressure of doom is back, it seems, and it just doesn't clear. It never really clears. A brief drier spell possible around this point, but there's that low there. So GFS is a washout basically from, I say, Thursday onwards until Tuesday, the 25th of June. A bit warmer next week, like the following week, but like it's not anything to be excited about. It'll still be quite wet. Here is the ECM. The ECM again, northerly winds tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday are dry days, but still quite cool. Now that high pressure does get flattened off by Thursday, as this low comes in, bringing a spell of rain with it. And Thursday and Friday should be showery. Some big downpours around on Friday possibly. Same for Saturday and Sunday. That low is right out of the country, is not moving anywhere, anytime fast, and it moves around the country still on Monday and Tuesday, and it just stays cool. So again, like after Thursday and like towards next Tuesday, it is just a complete washout with the low pressure right out of the country, and very cool and wet. Here is the GEM. So GEM again, northerly winds on Monday, then drier on Tuesday, Wednesday, but cooler. Then that high is flattened off by Thursday. That low comes in and gets going. Well, the GEM has it to our south, so we get an easterly flow coming in with plenty of rain, no doubt. And then actually it's drier towards next weekend for a time, a bit warmer too. And then we kind of see very shallow pressure. It's shallow low to our west, so it's warmish, but a bit showery as well. So I think the GEM so far is the best out of the three we've seen so far. Here is the UK Met run. So UK Met again, northerly winds tomorrow on Monday, and then through Tuesday and Wednesday, that high comes through the country and brings a drier spell, but it stays cool. And through to Thursday and Friday, this low comes in to bring a spell of rain on Thursday, showers on Friday, some big downpours around, storms and so on. Saturday, more showers with that. And into Sunday, again, more showers and quite cool as well. So here is the Icon run. So the Icon, again, cold front tonight, northerly winds tomorrow, but dry. Tuesday, Wednesday are dry and cool. Then again, Thursday, rain comes into the west. The Icon has that low going to the south though, so it's drier, especially for the north, but it's still wet in the south, and warmer too, with an easterly wind actually coming around that low from like the Mediterranean. So the Icon's warmer and drier, especially for the north, drier, but I think warm and wet in the south, especially by June 16th, but quite a strong easterly wind then. Wet, yes, but upper temperatures show that warm air is sort of being dragged in around the low from the southeast there. So warm and wet with the Icon. And finally we have the arpege. So the arpege again, through tonight, that cold front drops in. That is the cold front right there. And behind that, winds go northerly. Only briefly though, it is by Tuesday cut off, and through Wednesday and Thursday, yeah, that low is coming in. It's starting to make a move. So it's possible that from Thursday onwards, like it'll be very challenging to break out of low pressure. Like the GFS and ECM just have it stubbornly sitting over us. Like wow, just wow. But either way, whatever happens, it is like beyond the middle of next week, we'll be in a much more low pressure dominated interval here with a lot of rain. Temperatures possibly warming up if the low decides to sit to our west and drag up the winds from a more of a easterly or southerly direction, but that is like at this stage up to question. Everyone, thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow and bye for now.